representing fractions with figures. Hello friends, look at this spinner. It has 3 different colors: blue, purple and white. Hey, look carefully. It has 8 equal parts. Out of these 8 equal parts, only one part is in blue color. Can you write the fraction representing blue color? But wait, let me first tell you the rule to write fractions. First, draw a horizontal line like this. Now write the total number of parts below this line and write the number of parts selected above the line. So, for the blue color, the total number of parts is 8. So write 8 below the line. The number of selected parts is 1. So write 1 above the line. Therefore, the fraction is 1 upon 8. Similarly, the fraction representing the white color is 2 upon 8 because for the white color, the selected part is 2. Similarly, for purple color, the selected part is 5. So, fraction representing purple color is 5 upon 8.